in Manipur, in many higher secondary schools, NSS is not open. But luckily, in Tampasna Girls Higher Secondary School, we are having 3 units. And because of the number of students increases, we are trying to open another unit also. That means in the near future, you will see 4 units in PG Higher Secondary Schools. Can you get my point? 4 units. And 1 unit carries 100 volunteers. 1 unit carries 100 volunteers. Both 11 and 12. So we are going to select you 50 volunteers from each unit, from class 11. And for the class 12, we already have these 50 volunteers. So in total, 100, 100, 100. That means for unit 1, we'll have 100 volunteers. For unit 2 also, 3 also. Can you get my point?
Yes.
So, what is very much important is, suppose if you are attending NSS in class 11 and if you are not attending in the class 12, you are not completed 2 years. It's not it. Now you are class 11, then when you reach class 12, it will be 2 years of involvement in NSS. Then you will get a certificate. Certificates for volunteers. Certified by program officer myself, principal, and 1 liaison officer from Manipur government. Signature of these 3 officers will sign in your certificate and you will get a certificate. Then you just try to ask, what is the use of this certificate? I will tell you, it will be very much highly counted in your admission. That means you will get some relaxation in getting admission of your higher classes. But it depends upon the states. In some other states, they are giving the percentage in higher, 5%, 6%. And in some other states, 3%. In Manipur, 1%, like this and that. But depending upon the appointing or selecting authority, the percentage of relaxation will come into picture. Whatever the case it may be, you are getting some relaxation in the time of admission also. And also you just try to know the certificates which we are going to issue is only when you join in the volunteer list of EG. That is called state level certificate. Once you can represent the state of Manipur in the field of NSS, then it is called national certificates. Also, NSS has its own line of, say, what you can call line of say promotion, like that you can represent you can participate India also. That is internationally also this scheme is having this type of program. And the thing is, once you represent the state of Manipur, your percentage of relaxation will be high in compared with the state level certificates. The certificates of PG, which is state level, definitely you will get. But you have to join this NSS 2 years. My point is, after your class 11, if you leave or if you stop to join the NSS program, then we cannot give you the certificates. And you think, what are the programs NSS are going to conduct? We want to be maybe interested to know all these things. Not so much hard, but simple programs like tree plantation, social service, cleanliness, and some program conducted by in the national level, you have to attend. You have to listen. That must only for the regular program. NSS program is divided into two parts. One is what we call regular program. Another is special program. Regular program means this type of program, say one-day program only. One-day program is for tree plantation in the hill region. We usually adopted this Lagmur hill cherry thing, and in the last 5-6 years we go over there and we planted some trees. Okay, this is what regular program. 3 regular programs you have to attend, and 2 special care. What are the programs to be done in the special care? The special care you have to stay in the school campus. School campus. That's one. And you have to stay in the school campus, and we will conduct different programs. Cultural program. Then many resource persons will come and will deliver important and related to you. They will give speech and some social service and cooking of yourself, like this and that. This type of special program will be included. So what is very much important is you are required to attend these programs to get the certificates. But we will give you some relaxations when the time comes for your inconvenient, or if your unavoidable circumstances may come to your side, that we will excuse you. But intentionally, if you are not attending the program in time, just Madam told you just now, say punctuality and discipline is very much important in NSS. NSS, we are using the term volunteer. That is, what does it mean? Volunteer means voluntarily, of your own. In the NCC, what is it? National Cadet Corps. It's not it. But NSS means we are using the volunteer, the term volunteer. That means you are required to have a voluntary spirit to build the nation integrity. Can you get my point? So this is very important. That is why the certificate which you are going to get is very valuable. Even in a university level, one subject is open for NSS. So you can opt NSS as your own subject. Can you get my point? Okay, Arjuna,